Sending e-signatures and documenting them throughout their process has never been easier than with RabbitSign's integration within Momentum Agency Management System. From any client's record, go ahead and click on Documents or Files. I'll go ahead and select Files. We will then choose which file, form, or document we want to send. I'll select Test Client Signature Form. From here, I can click on Send. I can use a template. I could choose who it's going to send to, meaning this is who will really be signing it in this scenario. I can add multiple signers here as well. But once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and select RabbitSign, and I'll click on Assign. It allows you to save things into a draft status, configure the signing order, apply a template, or down below, you could even save things as an existing template. What this means is if I'm using this form all of the time, the client signature form, it's really never going to change where the insured is signing, where their initials are, where the agent is signing, or any other field we want to map out. So we can actually put those fields on here, and we can save this as an existing template for this form type. And that's an important distinction. We're saving it for the form, not for the client. So it'll be available on all of your clients. But even doing one-off signatures, dragging and dropping these documents is very easy. We can drag and drop signature. We can drag and drop initials. We can do dates, text, any additional checkboxes. Now it will default to the insured since they're the main one who will mainly be signing in this scenario, but you can also switch over to the agent. The other useful thing is not only can we switch between the insured, the agent, but we can add a custom signer just by typing in an email at any point. Once this is done, we can confirm that everything is included that we need to be included. We can go through all of the pages. We can actually send multiple documents at the same time. The other useful thing is, let's say you have a 13-page document and maybe the client signature was on page 12 and you could not find it, but you know you mapped it out. You can actually just click up here and you can click straight into the signature and it will take you to that 12th page where they're signing. It'll say it right there, document, page 1, that's where their field is, and we can go straight there. This makes mapping out long forms and templating them that much easier. You don't have to, second guess yourself on if you mapped something or not. You can just go up here and you'll see exactly what you mapped out at all times. Once this is ready, from here, we can click send. And then, like I said, we're not only helping with sending, we're tracking it through the process. So yes, you can use the RabbitSign dashboard to manage these, but from the client's record, you could also go to their e-signed docs area. It will load the e-signature applications, the status it's in, whether it's been signed, everything about it. We'll also see ways that we can download the document. And then once it's signed, we'll even be able to save it directly to the client's files from here. Thank you.